So you're switching from iPhone to Samsung and you want to transfer everything on your iPhone to your Samsung phone. Easy peasy. You need a cable. If it's one of the older iPhones, it has to be a lightning cable, a cable with a lightning port at one end and USB-C at the other end. The lightning port goes into the iPhone and USB-C into the Samsung. If it's one of the newer iPhones with USB-C, then you need a USB-C to USB-C cable. So how do you get started? First, on your Samsung phone, look for the Smart Switch app. And there it is. Tap on it. Transfer your data. And here it says send from this phone, receive on this phone. So in this case, we want to receive on this phone, right? And we tap that. Is it from a Galaxy or Android phone or from an iPhone? It's from an iPhone. And then it says you can use a cable, you can use wireless. Cable is faster and will move over a lot more things than wireless will do. So we're using a cable. Next, use a compatible Lightning to USB-C or USB-C to USB cable or an adapter to bring your data. So I'm plugging this into the Samsung. There you go. And then the Lightning cable into the iPhone. And there it says, connecting to transfer your data. It's scanning for files that are available on the iPhone. And then here are all our options. Call and contacts, messages, apps, data from iPhone apps, settings, home screen, images, video, audio, documents, the whole works. You can unselect any of these that you do not want to move. It's your choice. But yes, you can select everything. Like I said, this is about transferring or moving everything. And once you're sure you want to go ahead, you tap on transfer. And it begins to search for matching apps on the iPhone, etc. Again, it's giving you the option to choose which apps you want installed. If you want them, go ahead. If you don't want some, uncheck. If you don't want everything, uncheck all. For the purpose of this demonstration, I don't want everything. So I'm going to uncheck all the apps here. So skip the apps, and then it's calculating. Don't disconnect the cable. It's calculating the remaining time. Keep screen on. And then the iPhone asks if I trust this guy. So I have to verify. I'm taking you off screen now. Yep. It's already backing up data on the iPhone. 8 minutes left. Make sure you don't disconnect the cable while this operation is going on. So it says now, you cannot disconnect the USB cable. We'll let you know when we finish organizing your data. You can check the status and notification. So the files have been transferred. We can disconnect now. We're just going to wait. Interesting, right? These things have been made quite easy. And now we have our transfer results. Data transfer results, 4,216 items, images, videos, calls and contacts, data from iPhone apps, blah, 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 blah. Next. Turn off iMessage, blah, 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 blah. Next. Get your iCloud data. Next. All set. Done. That's it. That's how to transfer everything from an iPhone to your Samsung smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Do like it, do share it. please follow my channel and turn on your notifications. I'd love to see you in my next video.